You can find Kwik for installation from two different places. The first one is under the Corona installation. If you're on a Mac, go to Applications, and if you are on a PC, Program Files. Then look for Corona SDK, Tools, Kwik, and we're going to see the zip file. At this moment, Corona just has Kwik 2 for installation. In the near future, they are going to bring the updated version of Kwik 3. You can also find the plugin directly from our website at kwiksher.com, and when you register, you're going to get access to this page, and you have this big button, and when you click that, and Kwik will be installed on your downloads folder. You're seeing that Kwik comes on the kwik.zip format. I just unzipped it, so you're going to see this kwik.zxp. If you just double click this file, Kwik will open your Adobe Extension Manager and will install the plugin. However, if you have more than one Photoshop, like in my case, I have Photoshop CS6 and Photoshop CC, make sure that Kwik will just install it for the Photoshop with the same version of Adobe Extension Manager. In my case, if I install, Kwik will be installed just for Photoshop CC. In our example here, we don't want that. We just want to install this to Photoshop CS6. So again, if you just double click, you may have some issues with that. So let's decline. And instead of just double click here, let's do the opposite. Let's come find Adobe Extension Manager with the same version of our Photoshop, again in our case CS6, and open it. And it's important because if for some reason you don't have the same Adobe Extension Manager as your current Photoshop version, you need to go to Adobe's website and search for exactly the same version. Again, if you are installing CS5, you're going to find Adobe Extension Manager for CS5. If you're installing for Adobe Photoshop CS6, Adobe Extension Manager CS6, and from there you go. So in our case now, we are going to come here in this button install, point to our downloads folder, and then we are going to open the kwik.zxp file. And doing so, you have here the license agreement, you have a description about what Kwik's about. You can come and accept that. Don't worry about this alert. It's just telling you that the extension is not signed, so I don't want to show it again. Install. And it says that I have already a copy of this, and in my case I'm just installing again, so I'm gonna simply say yes to all, meaning update everything that I have. And when I do that, I now see Kwik install. Okay, and because in the past I was using Kwik 3 as the name, I'm gonna remove it. Okay, that's it, we just installed. Now that I have installed the Kwik plugin, it's a good idea to install as well the Kwik sample projects, which is something new in this version. The Kwik sample projects is a really good way to learn faster about features and the way to do things into Kwik. In order to install them, just click the download the Kwik sample projects, and you're going to see the file downloading. It's a large file because several projects are included. Now that we have it in our download page, we are going to install it the same way we install the plugin. Come to our Adobe Extension Manager. In our case, we are installing it on CS6, and we can see the Kwik installation here. Now all we have to do is to point to our download folder and install the samples. Again, there's the description, the license agreement, let's accept it, and here we can see already the Kwik samples. You're set to go.